Hello dear friends, we are glad to introduce some information about this hotel soap making line. It can make hotel soaps of different shapes, colors, and sizes. The soaps are okay to be with your logo or your customer's logo. There are 6 models with a working capacity of 100 to 1000 kilograms per hour. It can make other types of soaps too, such as medicated soap, toilet soaps, regular laundry soaps, long bar laundry soaps, etc. Its working life is at least 30 years. The raw material for making soaps are soap noodles. If your raw material is oils, firstly the oils can be made into soap bases by the saponification machines. If you have no experience in the soap making industry, you can get soap formula from us for your soap production. If you are interested in the soap making machines, don't hesitate to get in touch with us by email or WhatsApp, calling, etc. There are contacts at the end of this video.